Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn English Together. Today, you will learn English through a very emotional and motivational story. This story is about fear, practice, and never giving up. Listen carefully, feel the story, and learn English with your heart. There was a boy named Ravi. Ravi was from a small village. He was a good student, but he had one big problem. He could not speak English. Whenever Ravi tried to speak English, his hands shook. His heart beat fast. In college, other students spoke English confidently. Ravi stayed silent. One day, the teacher said, "Ravi, please introduce yourself in English." Ravi stood up. His mouth was dry. His voice was weak. He said, My name is Ravi. I am from. Suddenly, some students laughed. Ravi stopped speaking. That day, Ravi felt very small. He went home and cried alone. He said to himself, "English is not for me. I will never speak English." Days passed. Ravi avoided English classes. He sat in the last bench. One day, Ravi went for an interview. The interviewer asked in English, "Can you tell me about yourself?" Ravi understood the question, but he could not answer. He stayed silent. The interviewer said politely, "Thank you, you can leave." Ravi walked out. Outside the building, Ravi sat on the steps. Tears rolled down his face. He thought, "I have knowledge, I have talent, but English is stopping my life." That night, Ravi did not sleep. He looked at the mirror and asked himself, "Will I run away forever? Or will I try one more time?" The next morning, Ravi made a decision. He said, "I will not give up." Ravi started small. Every day, he spoke one English sentence. He spoke in front of the mirror. He made mistakes, many mistakes, but he did not stop. He watched simple English videos. He listened carefully. He repeated slowly. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he felt afraid. But every night he said, "Today I tried. That is enough." Months passed. Slowly, Ravi changed. One day in class, the teacher asked a question. Ravi raised his hand. The class became silent. Ravi spoke slowly but clearly. "Yes, sir. I think the answer is." Nobody laughed. The teacher smiled. "Good, Ravi," the teacher said. That small moment gave Ravi big confidence. He practiced more. He spoke more. Fear became courage. 1 year later, Ravi attended another interview. This time, he was nervous, but he was ready. The interviewer asked, "Tell me about yourself." Ravi smiled and said, "My name is Ravi. I am from a small village. I worked hard to improve my English. I believe learning never stops." The interviewer listened carefully. At the end, he said, "Welcome to the team." Ravi's eyes filled with tears. This time, they were happy tears. Moral of the story: if you are afraid, it means you care. If you practice daily, you will improve. English is not magic, it is practice.